Hi, Inez Simpson here, creator of the Simpson Protocol, and I'm here just to talk about the training, the 2-day training that's happening at HypnoThoughts. The dates will be down below, and you know when HypnoThoughts is on. But I just want to talk to you about how happy I am that Greg Sarton Beckett is going to be teaching this at HypnoThoughts. This will be his second year. The first year I got such great feedback from the people who took his training, which makes me truly happy, right? Because I like it when my trainers are loved. Anyway, he's a great guy. Even if you're not going to take the 2-day training, make sure you go meet him at HypnoThoughts, maybe go to his 1 or 2 hours or whatever. I don't know which ones he's got. But he's one of the most honest guys I ever met and one of the most caring. And that comes through when he's teaching and when he's working with clients. And as hard as it may be for me to believe, you may not have heard of me and Simpson Protocol. And in that case, go to simpsonprotocol.com, check it all out. And also there's a free ebook there for you to download to see what it's all about. So go to HypnoThoughts, take a 2-day training with Greg Beckett, and really have a great time.